Welcome to video 5. Objects and arrays. JavaScript's real power lies in its ability to handle complex data structures. This lesson aims to introduce you to two pillars of data management in JavaScript: objects and arrays. We'll understand how these work, why they're essential, and how you can use them effectively in your code. Section 1: Working with objects. Objects are like containers that can hold various values under different keys. Think of an object as a virtual box where you can put different types of data and label each one. Creating an object. We start by creating a basic object. Imagine you're making a profile for someone and you want to keep their name and age together. Here, person is our object. The name and age are keys, and Alice and 30 are their respective values. It's like saying, in the person box, the label name has the value Alice. I'll pause here so you can review. This way, you can keep related data together. It's a foundational concept for working with more complex data. Adding and modifying properties. Objects aren't static, you can add more information or change what's already there. Here, we added job and city to our person object. It's like sticking new labels inside our person box. I'll pause here so you can review. This dynamic nature of objects is essential in programming where data might change or grow. Section 2: Working with arrays. Arrays are ordered collections. Imagine a shelf where you place items one after the other. That's your array. Creating and accessing an array. We begin with creating an array. An array helps when you have a list of items, like scores in a game. Numbers is our array. The numbers 10, 20, and 30 are like items on our shelf. We access the second item, index 1, with numbers 1. I'll pause here so you can review. Creating and accessing elements is the core of array manipulation, allowing you to work with ordered data efficiently. Adding and removing elements. Like objects, arrays are also dynamic. You can add or remove items. Here, we added an item to the end of the shelf and took one from the start. It's like adding a new score at the end and removing the oldest one. I'll pause here so you can review. Manipulating arrays allows for a dynamic and living data structure that can adapt to the needs of your application. Iterating over an array. Often, you'll want to do something with every item in an array, like showing all the scores. Here, we used for each to go through our numbers array, one by one, and print each. I'll pause here so you can review. This is a powerful way to apply a single action, like a discount, to every item in an array, like every product in a shopping cart. Through this detailed exploration of objects and arrays, we have uncovered the essence of data management in JavaScript. We've seen how objects are like labeled boxes, and arrays like ordered shelves. We've learned how to create, modify, access, and loop through these structures. These concepts form the foundation of more complex programming tasks, from managing user profiles to controlling game states. By understanding and mastering objects and arrays, you open the door to a more profound and nuanced appreciation of JavaScript's capabilities.